right, so I made it to Europe. The sun is shining. I'm here in Europe, got my bags. I feel a sense of like, but I also feel a sense of, I gotta be careful. Welcome to Copenhagen. This airport is a ghost town.
We are Kyle.
And Stina.
And for the last couple years, we've been riding motorcycles around the world. And that came to an abrupt end. Decided we need to sell our bikes and basically get the hell out of here.
And then where? To Slovenia?
Yeah, or to
He's
USA.
a resident there, or to US. We're both citizens of...
Yeah, so we had to make like the hard decision. Where would be a better place to go?
I'm moving out of my apartment today. My job is officially ending, and I'm just waiting to see what will happen. I'm prepared to stay in Japan until April 30th, when there's talk of either renewing or reassessing the restrictions. But I'm prepared to stay longer.
I'm in Denmark right now, and this is like day 3 in quarantine. Nobody's around. It's all about social distance, but I need some fresh air. Any sunny day in any place in Scandinavia, a place like this is filled, packed to the max. Not today, because the Danes are practicing social distance. Kudos to you guys, man.
Our first flight was canceled without notice. We've basically been at the airport every other day trying to get on standby, which is a nightmare.
We live here now.
Came out again yesterday, and then found out that the flight was canceled, and there's no way to find this stuff out online. So you just waste like money and your whole day coming out. We're here at the Melbourne airport again today. They said, well, wait till like 12 or 12:30 to see if you can get on a flight. So that's basically going to be our day. It's frustrating.